riding around. This is winter storm number 2 in a week for us. The first one we got about 8 inches of snow, and that's nice. above average for us. Heck yeah. Far above average. And this one is supposed to give us a couple inches. So it's beautiful out here. My gosh, it's hard to drive and look and film and do everything, but this GoPro doesn't fully capture what we're looking at. This is just too cool. All right, we're gonna get back on the trail.
Pro tip, you got a Kawasaki Teryx, engine's right here in the middle. Your hands get cold and you're out here winter driving, just put your hand right here. Man, HawkMeyer pro tip of the day.
We've made it to the river.
Way up.
It's way up. And God, it's hard to even see the river. It's like foggy and it's coming down snow pretty good still.
Oh yeah.
So that is Kentucky over there.
When we started out, the roads were looking pretty good. Now they're going downhill real fast.
Yeah. But no problem with for the Terexes. Even with my bald tires on the back.
We gotta show them tires we get.
Yeah, my bald tires, they're original.
The original back.
And they've been through it. They're ready to be replaced.
Oh man. Almost smooth on the inside. He got something on the outside though. But they're getting it done.
Yeah.
They're getting it done.
It doesn't tear up the ground so bad.
Yeah, turf tires.
Turf tires. And yours still look pretty good.
These are the original ones too. Back tires last a long time. And front ones, these things just eat them up. Especially the, which one was it? The driver or the passenger side?
I think it's the driver's side.
Driver's side just,
for whatever reason, these Terexes, the front driver's side tire, me and him both, and we've heard other people get a lot of tire wear. And we ride quite a bit on roads too, so that's going to eat into your tires. But I guess while we're out here, it bears mentioning that this is a 2018 Kawasaki Teryx. I bought it brand new. Right now I have a little over 7,200 miles on this machine. And I mean, I use it. I cut a lot of firewood. I'll stack firewood in the bed all the way up to this bar. I mean, way overloaded, way more than what the factory recommends, but it's been getting the job done for me. I have no complaints about this side by side. If you're thinking about getting one, I'd go ahead and jump in, both feet in. They're good. So Hawkins machine here, it's a 2019. You can see that they changed the colors between 2018 and 2019. How many miles you got on this thing roughly?
2,000.
About 2,000 miles on it. He's got the custom roof there.
The custom plywood roof.
You know,
gets the job done.
He made that when it was affordable to do that.
Yeah.
But really just great machines. You got any complaints with yours?
No, I love these things.
Yeah.
Super strong. I mean, his is a testament to it. I mean.
Yeah, I mean.
Just gets it done.
Gets it done and no complaints. No Kawasaki Teryx.
We'll say that's a big no.
It's closed.
Last call.
Well, our watering hole's closed for the day, so we're gonna make tracks right back home.
Yeah.